Makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors 69, Palawan New Rich Builders 62 with 3:33 remaining. Dito sa ating fourth quarter, game number 1 of our 18 under national finals of Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Jaime Mendihar kasama rin John Mahari alongside Nicole Lim. Bring you reaction mula dito sa Chiang Kai-shek College in Manila. La Rosaga trap and the steal para kay Gardo Lanas. Touchdown!
That was a great defense. Full court defense by Palawan Builders. And kung ikaw yung team na naghahabol, kailangan mo talagang gawin yung mga ganitong depensa.
Lead is cut down to 5, 69-64. Shot clock is down to 9. Donato finds an opening. Layup too strong. Takbo na naman dito ang Palawan. Velasquez gives it back. Hands it off. Corpus attacks once again. Couldn't get the bounce. Binagatan. Medyo malalim. Gets the ball back. Outside to Velasquez. Rosales has Corpus open, but unfortunately will be called for a traveling violation.
That was a sorry travel by this Palawan squad. I mean, nandun sila sa momentum nung atake nila at natawagan sila doon ng traveling.
Would have been big dahil yun nga, Corpus was wide open in that corner dun sa favorite spot nitong Palawan New Rich Builders. Full court pressure once again. Ball deflected, almost stolen by Dolanas. Sharma. Outside Nonato. This is Ugadan with 8 to work with. Shot is down to 5. Dwayne on the move. Jumper will rattle out. Rebound Sharma. And he gets fouled. Will head to the line for a couple. Offensive rebounds once again, hurting itong Palawan New Rich Builders.
Yung size advantage doon, makikita na naman natin sa play na yun.
Ganda na. You had the shot that you wanted San Juan to shoot dahil off balance na yung attempt doon ni Dwayne Nonato with the shot clock winding down, but just difficult to block out itong si Ram Sharma in that rebounding battle.
Kung ikaw yung Palawan Builders, kailangan mo na talagang i-box out yung mga big man nitong makabagong San Juan para makakuha sila ng difficult position para makakuha ng rebound. Kailangan sa ilalim pa lang nakikipag banggaan ka na dun para sa rebound.
1 of 2 para kay Sharma. So still a 2-possession ball game, 70-64. Abanta pa rin ang makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors. Exactly 2 minutes left now here in game number 1. Kakay back in the ball game para sa Palawan. This is Velasquez. Stepping through, gets fouled, and the bucket, Kurt Velasquez.
That was a great move by Velasquez. Makikita mo dito yung anticipation.
Nakakailan na talaga to si Kurt Velasquez. Yung hindi kanya dadaanin sa sobrang bilis eh. Just that balance to make that adjustment. Off balance ka kung ikaw yung defender eh.
Malilito ka, no?
Just couldn't complete the 3-point play though. Ball is loose. Picked up by Velasquez. Rosales for 3. Couldn't hit. Rebound. Makukuha ni Ugadan. As the foul appears to be whistled kontra dito kay Kakay Zamoras. They will take another look.
Medyo nagkabanggaan yata dun sa rebound na yun.
Final minute and 40 remaining here in this ball game. Kumbaga yung tension talaga nung laro, diyan magpipick up na talaga dahil 4 na lang yung lamang dito ng makabagong San Juan. It was Ugadan securing that rebound para nga dito sa makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors. talagang yung pisikalan dito dyan, no? As expected, ito naman talaga yung aksyon and the effort that the players need to be displaying.
At napakaganda ng game na to na nakikita natin to ngayong araw.
So nothing further, just a foul called against Kakay Zamoras. That will be team foul number 2. Para sa Palawan New Rich Builders, both teams just have 2 team fouls here in the fourth quarter. Apologies, that's 3 team fouls now para sa Makabagong San Juan and 2 for the New Rich Builders. Final minute and 40 remaining.
Expect natin na mas higpit ang depensa nitong Palawan Builders.
Donato will call it out. His ball deflected, his pass rather. Still 14 seconds on the shot clock. A lot of time to work with for the white shirts. Baldomero gets it into Yuto. He has an opening. Loses the leather. Babalik ang bola sa Palawan.
That was a great defense by this Palawan squad, no? Talagang bangga kung bangga.
Tinayuan lang talaga, hindi nagpatinag. And look at Yuto. He's no small player dyan, no? Talagang inabsorb lang yung contact.
Inabangan niya lang doon, no? At no extra movement. Talagang bumangga lang siya.
Chance to make this a one-possession ball game. Kurt Velasquez will pick it up. Gets it to Louis Rosales. Velasquez na naman. Corbuz will pull up for 3. Short. Long rebound. Siya rin ang makakakuha. This time will attack. Follow on the floor, says our officials. So that will still be the foul to give para sa Makabagong San Juan.
Pero grabe yung rebound na yun. Siya yung tumira. Siya rin yung nakakuha ng rebound. Talagang ikaw, yung Palawan Builders, talagang gusto mo yung mga ganong sitwasyon.
Rosales against Andre Ugadan. The 7 to shoot now para sa Palawan. Velasquez trying to dance with Nonato. No whistle. Ball goes back, or ball will stay rather sa Palawan. But they will take another look. Mandatory review as we are in the last 2 minutes of action. Certainly Kurt Velasquez was trying to fish for that foul, pero wala nga narinig na pito.
Medyo masikip yung posisyon niya doon sa ilalim.
They just have 1 second left dito sa kanilang shot clock if they are to retain possession. .2 seconds remaining sa ating laro. Gandang takas na sana, but you gotta give credit dito sa help defense. Makabagong San Juan. That was Baldomero with the recovery. I think this is the better angle. So you see that the initial call, bola pa rin ng Palawan. So they're trying to look for evidence.
Medyo mahirap silipin doon sa angle na yun. Hindi mo talaga clear nakita.
Gonna be a big call. Dahil yun nga, 2-possession ball game, 70-66. Abante pa rin ang Makabagong San Juan. So after review, the ball touched last by Kurt Velasquez. Na-reverse itong tawag.
Dahil dun sa last angle, makikita mo talaga na talagang hinahabol pa niya yung bola.
52.2 seconds remaining. Full court pressure once again displayed by the Palawan Urich Builders. They have a foul to give. Donato gets it to Yuto. Donato will slow it down. Shot clock down to 7. Ugadan will pull up, gets fouled by Rosales. It's a bailout call if I ever saw one dyan dahil pababa na yung shot clock. Napasabit lang itong si Louie.
Yun yung sayang kasi dumepensa ka na ng ilang segundo at konti na lang yung shot clock. Masastop mo na yung play nila at kaso pumaul ka. At panira pa. So mabibigyan ng 2 free throw itong si Ugadan.
The first will fall, make that 11 points now para kay Andre Ugadan. 7 rebounds to go with 4 assists. One more to make this a 6-point ball game. 2 for 2. 31 seconds left dito sa ating ball game. This time it's the Palawan's turn to call for a timeout. Timeout brought to us by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy and smile. Final 31 seconds dito sa ating ball game. 72-66. The makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors still holding on to the 6-point advantage against the Palawan Urich Builders. Game number 1 of our national finals in the 18 under division. You're still watching Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. What a ball game we're seeing so far, John. Talagang itong makabagong San Juan, despite several attempts nitong Palawan na kumatok sa kanilang pinto, time and time again, they're able to find a response.
Yes, pero 31 seconds, marami pang pwedeng mangyari dyan. Tingnan natin kung anong play ang ready.
Palawan, get it into Rosales. He will fire for 3. Shot too strong. Dulanas trying to get that offensive rebound. Finds Binagatan underneath. Got the lead down to 4.
Pwede pa. Pwede pa to. Mahaba pa sa mga 22 seconds na to.
Makabagong San Juan. Sila naman ang tatawag ng timeout dito. Dulanas able to find Perth Binagatan. 22.2 seconds remaining. Both teams now in the penalty. Timeout once again brought to us by Domo Domo. Slurp, enjoy and smile. Final 22.2 seconds dito sa ating ball game. 72-68. Apat ang inahabol ng Palawan Urich Builders. It's San Juan possession dito, John. Penalty na parehong koponan. Will look to foul. If ikaw ang Palawan Urich Builders or dahil may 14 seconds on the shot clock, is this something na hayaan mo na lang and get that stop?
Kailangan makakuha ka dito ng quick steal. Pag wala, yun na, sinasabi ko, kakasabi ko pa lang. At
that is the quick steal na hinahanap nga dito ng Palawan. Corpus nagmamadali sa kabila. Corpus pa rin, sidestep maneuver. His shot too strong, rebound. Makukuha ni Ugadan. Final 7 seconds as Andre is fouled. Final 6.3 seconds here in this ball game. Sorry, miss para kay Jim Corpus. Sa ganda na nilalaro dito ni Jim. Nakakagulat na yun pa yung hindi mahuhulog para sa kanya.
yes, that was a sorry miss talaga dahil pwedeng magbago yung sitwasyon kung na-shoot niya yung layup niya na yun. At ang ganda nung nangyari dahil galing depensa yun. Na-reward yung depensa na ginawa nila at yun nga lang, masyadong malakas yung layup niya na yun.
Yung bilis din yung atake niya, maybe proved to be too much. As Perth Binagatan had to give up that duty foul. Of course, they're trying to take a look kung yun nga, maybe there was a bit extra. Palawan still has 1 timeout remaining. Same with makabagong San Juan. 6.3 seconds na lalabi dito sa ating laro. Makabagong San Juan has been in the lead for a majority of the ball game dyan, no? Talagang yung nakadikit, I think the closest Palawan has been was 2 points.
Pero nandun talaga sila sa, akala mo, andun na. Pero may gagawin yung San Juan, itong makabagong San Juan, para hindi matuloy yung momentum na nakukuha nitong Palawan Builders.
And Nicole talked about yung mental toughness na hinihingi nga ni Coach Britt when it comes to his players. And that's exactly what they displayed dito sa laro natin. Dahil, yun nga, pwede kang tumiklop na lang dahil alam mong Palawan Urich Builders will go on that run. Pero hindi rin naman nagpanik itong makabagong San Juan and they went on the run of their own.
Yes, at ito rin namang Palawan Builders. No? Kanina talagang lamang na lamang itong makabagong San Juan, pero hindi rin sila tumigil dun sa kanilang depensa at tinatry talaga nila na makalapit. At hanggang dito sa 6 na segundo nagtitira ng fourth quarter natin, talagang binibigyan nila ng magandang laban itong makabagong San Juan.
So still a 2-possession ball game. 72-68. Andre Ogadan hit 2 for 2 in his earlier trip. Trying to add to his 12-point tally. Final 6.3 here in this game. Game number 1 dito sa ating 18 under national finals. Sinking the first is Andre Ugadan, making it a 5-point ball game, 73-68. Another one to give a bit of insurance para dito sa makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors. 2 for 2. Palawan will burn their final timeout. Down by 6 with only 6.3 seconds remaining here in this game. Tall task para dito sa Palawan Urich Builders. But we've seen stranger things happen. Kumbaga, sabi mo nga kanina, may oras pa, but it's no longer favorable time-wise para dito sa Palawan Urich Builders.
Yes, pero marami pa. Pwede pa. I think.
In an earlier play, we saw that they had that quick trigger to Louie Rosales nung biglang pumukol siya kaagad. Trying to recreate something like that.
Mabilisan.
Basta mabilis.
And then try to make a steal.
No timeouts remaining para dito sa Palawan Urich Builders. Makabagong San Juan still has one more in their pocket. (74-68), makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors. Still in the driver's seat. It will be Velasquez. Triggering it inbound. Goes to Zamora. He will fire for 3. Not too strong. Rebound Sharma. As the time will expire and it will be the makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors drawing first blood dito sa ating best of 3 series. 74-68. Lamang sila throughout the ball game, John. They were, Palawan naman was down by as much as 18. Slowly but surely, naihabol nila. They were down by just 2 at one point in that third quarter. But San Juan just had the answers every time Palawan made that run.
Yes, makikita natin yung effort na ginawa dito ng Palawan Builders para makalapit dito sa ating mga bagong San Juan. Talagang yung depensa nila, talagang diniinan nila. At yun nga lang, sabi mo nga, laging may sagot itong makabagong San Juan sa kanilang opensa. Kaya medyo nalalayo nila ulit yung kalamangan every time na lumalapit itong team ng Palawan Builders.
Of course, magkikita pa itong parehong kupunan na to, John, in game number 2 tomorrow sa Paco Arena naman. So, agaran yung